Good morning. Today I will be showing you how you can measure temperature using a temperature sensor DS18B20, which is a waterproof and fireproof sensor. Welcome to my channel. This is SDY New Classes. What you have in front of you is DS18B20 temperature sensor, which is waterproof and fireproof. It has got 3 terminals, which are VCC, ground and data. What you are seeing is a data sheet of the sensor DS18B20. You can find all the details regarding the sensor, its applications, constructions, pinout diagram, and all the details regarding the sensor in the data sheet. I will be providing you the link for the datasheet below. You can also find out the temperature working range, that is -55° to 125° Celsius, and the accuracy will be ±5°. This is the pinout diagram which you can see. Now I'll be making the connections using Arduino. Here I'm using Arduino Uno 1.2K resistor and of course the breadboard. This is the pinout diagram where you can see the connections. First I'll be soldering the terminals of the sensor to make it easy to connect to the breadboard. I'm connecting 3 terminals to the breadboard with 1.2K ohm resistor connected between data pin and 5 volts. With the help of jumper wires, I will connect red wire to VCC, yellow to ground, and data pin to digital pin number 2. This will be our connection for measurement of temperature using the sensor. I'm powering up the Arduino using 5 volts. This is the terminal of Arduino IDE. You need to include some libraries. For that, I will go to libraries. Here, type for DS18B20 and you will find the version. The latest is 3.9. Include and click on install. Now, go to File, Examples, and include the library under Dallas temperature. Go and include the file as shown. This is the program which we will be using to measure the temperature using the sensor with the help of Arduino Uno. After uploading the sketch, you can see in the serial monitor the data is showing. This is the temperature that is being measured using the sensor has been displayed on the serial monitor. Now let me put the solder iron on the sensor. As you can see, the temperature is gradually increasing. Now it's 93 and it goes on increasing until I keep my hot solder iron on the sensor. Now what I'll be doing is I will be dipping the sensor in water with some ice cubes to show you guys how the temperature reading gradually decreases. From 80, you can see that temperature is decreasing to 75, 74. What I'm saying is in Fahrenheit, and the temperature further decreases. This will be the pinout diagram for Arduino using LCD and I2C backpack. I will be providing the link in the description for the pinout diagram of the circuit. This will be the connections using I2C backpack. Connect the circuit according to the circuit diagram and switch on the Arduino Uno. You will be connecting ground and VCC and SCL and SCA ports. I will be making changes accordingly to make the data display in I2C LCD. Not to worry, I will be providing the program in the description below. After making some changes to the program, you can actually make the Arduino Uno to work to get the temperatures and display the same on LCD. The changes will be made accordingly to display the values in LCD. As I keep the solder iron on the sensor, the temperature increases gradually. Now it's showing 31 degrees and it's increasing gradually. It keeps increasing till I lift the solder iron from the sensor. It's still increasing. It has reached 52 now. It's increasing and increasing. That's all for today. Thanks for watching your video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.